Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to talk about two popular platforms, Hostinger and Wix, and help you to decide which one is better for you. So first of all, let's understand both of them. If I talk about Hostinger first, then it is a hosting service. That means you get a space to build your website using WordPress or other tools. You get full control, and it's great if you want to customize your website more deeply. Also, the pricing is very cheap compared to others. It's best for people who are a bit more comfortable with managing websites. Now let's talk about Wix. This is a website builder. It gives you everything in one place: design, hosting, and all of the features. You just drag and drop, no coding needed. It's perfect for beginners who want a website fast and easy without touching any technical stuff. But yeah, Wix can be a bit more expensive in the long run compared to Hostinger. So if you want more freedom, more feature, and better long-term control, then Hostinger will be better option for you. But if you want something quick and easy and you don't want to learn anything technical, then Wix will be a simple choice for you. Also, if you are planning to make a blog, online store, or portfolio, both platforms support that. It just depends on how much control or flexibility you want. I have added both links in the description below. So that's all for today. If you like this simple comparison, then don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And yes, don't forget to check the description below. I will see you in the next video.